chicken tandoori pizza from Khan's Pizza Box. Look how beautiful this is looking. Small pizza, cheesa. Oh, let's check if there's a cheese pulley. Oh yeah. Oh my god, what is that? Why are the toppings, bro? Alright, let's just go. Bismillah. No, that's spicy. That's spicy. That's good. Let's get the toppings. It just came out, I think. Oof, oof, oof. Bismillah, bismillah. Fresh pizza, not bad, bro. And then some chips. So hot and fresh. Fire munch.